Hello! Thanks for watching this Tech2Connect video tutorial. The topic of this tutorial is charging your Amazon Fire. First, compare the sizes of the two ends of the cable. Take the larger end and plug it into the adapter. Plug the adapter into the wall or an extension cord. Find the loose end of the cable. Plug it into the port located on the short side of your Amazon Fire. The port is located next to the power button. When your device is charging successfully, the battery icon on the upper right corner of your screen will have a Thunderbolt inside it. The number to the left of the battery icon indicates how much charge your device currently has. For example, this device is currently 91% charged. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check out the rest of our video tutorials on the Tech2Connect website.